Hi viewers, so welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video we have discussed a few problems related to the concept discount profit loss, right? So in this video we are going to continue those problems. So in the previous video we have discussed about problem number till the problem number 8. So we are going to continue from problem number 9, right? So if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and try to watch the complete video till the end, right? So if you have missed any of the videos, so please go through my channel so that you can watch those videos in my channel, right? So now let us moving on to question number 9. So what is given? A table was sold for 2142 at a gain of 5%. At what price should it be sold to gain 10%, right? So that is the question, right? Now what he has given? So the selling price is given as 2142, and here the gain percentage, so the gain percentage is given as 5%. So here we don't know what is the cost price, so let the cost price be some X, otherwise leave it as CP, right? Now selling price is 2142, gain percentage is 5%, cost price is some X. Now from this what I can do is, so simply find out the cost price here. So how to find cost price? So already we know gain percentage, right? So whenever you are having gain percentage, go with the formula. So what is the formula of gain percentage? Gain percentage is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. So instead of taking unknown variable, just keep CP as CP only, right? Next, gain percentage is nothing but 5. So 5 is equal to, what is SP here? 2142 minus CP by CP into 100, right? Now this 5 I can cancel in 100 20 times. So directly, so this is 1 time and this is 20 times. So directly if I cross multiply, so 1 into CP is CP. So CP is equal to 2142 into 20. So how to multiply? So simply double it. So 2 double is 4, 4 double is 8, so 1 double is 2, so 2 double is 4, and followed by 1 0 minus, so what is this? So when I multiply this 20, so 20 will be multiplied with both the terms. So from this what I am going to get? Minus 20 CP. So when I transpose this 20 CP to the other side, then it becomes 21 CP, because already 1 CP is present here. This 20 CP will make it as 21 CP. So 21 CP is equal to 42840. So from this CP is equal to 42840 divided by 21. So if I divide it, so 24 2s are 42, right? Next after that followed by 1 0. Next to 21 4s, so the CP is nothing but 2040, right? The cost price of this particular table is 2040 rupees, because directly we can't get down, so 20 times, so CP is equal to 2040 rupees, right? Now what is he asking? So at what price it should be sold? That means he is asking you to find out the selling price to get a profit of 10%. So to get a profit of 10%, right? So what is he asking? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit only, no? Cost price plus profit. So what is cost price here? 2040 plus, so this is nothing but profit percentage I need to find here. So what is the profit percentage I need? I need 10% now. So 10 by 100 into 2040. So when I cancel 0 and 0, then what I am going to get? And one more 0 I can cancel here. So what is the answer that I am going to get? 2040 plus 204. So when I add these two, so what I need to add? 2040 and 204. So when I add these two, 2244. So if I sell the table at 2244 rupees, so 2244 rupees, then I am going to get the profit as 10%. Okay, so this is the way how we can find out the selling price to get 10% profit. Okay, next moving on to one more question. See here, so there are three friends. So one is Gopi, the other one is Ibrahim, and the third one is John. Right? Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. If John paid 1330, that means 1330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it. Right? Now, first of all, what I am going to do is, I am going to consider cost price of Gopi. So, cost price of Gopi. So, let cost price of Gopi be some X rupees. Next, what I am doing? So, selling price of Gopi. So, selling price of Gopi is nothing but equal to cost price of Ibrahim only, no? So, selling price of Gopi is equal to cost price of Ibrahim, right? So, at 12% gain, Gopi sold it, right? So, cost price of Ibrahim is equal to 12% of, so it is nothing but 12% gain, no? So, which can be written as, so cost price of Gopi plus 12% gain. Cost price of Gopi plus 12% gain. So 12% of cost price. So which is nothing but X plus 12 by 100 into X. So this gives me 112X by 100. So this gives me 112X by 100. So this is nothing but cost price of Ibrahim. So here this is nothing but cost price of Gopi. So this is nothing but cost price of Gopi. Okay. So this is nothing but cost price of Ibrahim. Now what Ibrahim did? So Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. At a loss of 5%. Now already we know cost price of Ibrahim, right? Now what we can say? So selling price of Ibrahim. So selling price of Ibrahim is equal to cost price of, so selling price of Ibrahim is equal to cost price of John, right? So here selling price is equal to, so what is the value here? Cost price minus loss only, no? So cost price of John is equal to, so cost price of Ibrahim minus loss, right? Cost price of Ibrahim plus loss or minus loss. So that is the question, right? So for that what we need to do? So we need to take the formula. Loss is equal to SP minus CP only, no? Sorry, it is CP minus SP only, no? So CP minus SP. Now what I am talking about SP of Ibrahim. So if I want SP, what I should do? CP minus loss. So here it is CP of Ibrahim minus loss. So which I can write it as CP of Ibrahim. How much? So CP of Ibrahim. So cost price of Ibrahim is nothing but this only, no? So 112X by 100 minus, what is the loss here? So loss is 5%, no? So 5% means 5 by 100 into 112X by 100. And what he said, this is equal to cost price of John, no? But cost price of John is 1330, right? So this is equal to 1330. So from this what I am going to get? So 1330 is equal to, so here if I take 112X by 100 as common, right? Here I am having 122X by 100, 122X by 100. So if I take common, it becomes 1 minus 5 by 100, right? So from this what I am going to get? So 1330 is equal to 112X by 100 into, so 100 into 100, 100 minus 5, it is nothing but 95 by 100. So 112X by 100 into 95 by 100. Now if I want X value, so what I can do here? So from this X is equal to, so already 1330 is there into, so this 112 divided by 100 will become 100 divided by 112 into this 95 by 100, when I transpose, it becomes 100 by 95. Now when I simplify this, so what did he ask? So he asked about selling price of Gopi, no? So he asked find how much did Gopi sold it. So since I need 112x by 100, right? So I need 112x by 100. So I need this value, right? 112x by 100. So I should not transpose this 112x by 100. So I need selling price of Gopi. So SP of Gopi is equal to 112x by 100. So this particular value I need. So for that what I should do? I need to transpose. So since I need 112x by 100, so for that what I am going to do? I am going to transpose this 95 by 100. So 112x by 100 is given by 1330 into 100 by 95. So in Phi table if we cancel, so in Phi table it goes 19 times. In Phi table it goes how many times? So 5 2s are 10. So 33 is left. So 5 6 are 30. Next 266. Again in 9 table if I take, so 19 table, so 19 ones are 19. So if I take 19, so 19 means I am left with 7. So in 7 table, so 76. So 76 means, so it takes 14. So 14 times. So 14 into 100 is nothing but 1400. So selling price of Gopi is nothing but 1400 rupees. So he has sold the watch for 1400 rupees. So selling price of Gopi is 1400 rupees, right? So this is about this particular problem. Next, moving on to one more. Okay, let us see the next problem. So before going to that, so if in the same question if we ask, so what is the cost price of Gopi? So if the same question if we ask what is the cost price of Gopi, then what we will be doing? So we will be going to find out this value of x. So to find out the value of x, so what we can do? It is nothing but given by 1400 into 100 by 112, right? So in 4 table directly we can cancel it 25 times. In 4 table it goes, so 4 2s are 8. So 8 followed by, so 32, so 28 times. Next in 14 table this goes 100 times, this goes 2 times. Next in 2 table again this can be cancelled, so 2 in 150 times, right? So 50 into 25, so 25 is 125, so 1250 rupees. For suppose if we ask about cost price of Gopi, then it is 1250 rupees. But what did he ask here? Find how much did Gopi sold it. So for how much did Gopi sold it? So he sold it for 1400 rupees, right? So here all the three different values. So cost price of Gopi, selling price of Gopi is equal to cost price of Ibrahim, and selling price of Ibrahim is equal to cost price of John. So here we can find out any of the values, so using this particular concept. So for suppose if we ask, so at what price did Gopi purchase, then 1250. At what price Gopi sold it, so then it is 1400. So already he has mentioned how much did Gopi sold it, so it is 1400, right? So there are two versions of this question. So one version is at what cost Gopi sold it, then it is 1400. If we ask at what price Gopi purchased this watch, then it is 1250. Okay, so there is a little confusion in the question. So in some questions he has asked to find out cost price of Gopi. In some question he has given how at what price Gopi sold it. Okay, so Gopi sold it for 1400 rupees because he got 12% gain. And if we ask about cost price of Gopi, then it is 1250 rupees, right? So be clear with this question. Next, moving on to one more question. So there are two people, Madhu and Kavita, purchased a new house for 3200 rupees. Sorry, 3,20,000 rupees. So due to some economic problems, they sold the house for 2,80,000, right? Now what is the loss? What is the loss percentage? Right? So first of all they have purchased, no? So cost price of house. So first we will be taking the cost price of house. It is nothing but 3,20,000, and after that they sold it for, so selling price of house. So selling price of house is nothing but 2,80,000. Now from this, so clearly this value is, selling price is less than cost price, no? So clearly loss will occur. So loss is nothing but, so what is loss here? So loss is given by CP minus SP. So what is CP here? 3,20,000 minus 2,80,000. So when I subtract, so what I am going to get? So here 20,000, here 20,000. So overall loss is 40,000 rupees. Now what I need to find? The second bit is loss percentage, no? So loss percentage is given by loss by CP into 100. So which is given by, loss is 40,000 divided by CP. So what is the cost price? 3,20,000 into 100. So if you clearly observe these three zeros and this 1 0 1 0, I can cancel it out. So this is 3, right? So 3,20,000. Now in 4 table 32, so it goes 8 times 4 8s are 32. Then what I am left with? 100 by 8. So I got 100 by 8. So 100 by 8 I can write as 50 by, sorry, 4. In 4 table I can cancel it out now. So in 4 table, so denominator goes 2 times, numerator goes 25 times. So 25 by 2 is nothing but 12.5%. So this is nothing but the loss percentage. So 12.5% loss has occurred. So it is 12.5%. Right? Next, moving on to one more question. So what is this? A pre-owned car showroom bought a second-hand car for 1,50,000 and he spent 20,000 on repairs, right, for repairs and paintings, and he sold it for 2 lakhs. So find whether he gets profit or loss. If so, what percent? So here first of all we need to find whether he is getting profit or loss. So for that, so first of all, pre-owned car showroom, he went to buy a second hand car, so which is 1,50,000, right? So here cost price of the car is, so 1,50,000 rupees. Now on this he spent 20,000 on repairs and painting. That means, so these are overhead expenses, right? So these are overhead expenses. So these we will be calling it as overhead expenses, and these overhead expenses are added to the cost price. Then from this, overall cost price is equal to, so 1,50,000 plus 20,000. So that means he has spent 1,70,000 on the car, right? Now he has sold it for how much? So selling price is nothing but 2 lakh rupees. So that means clearly what we can say here, so this is 1,70,000 and this is 2 lakhs. So clearly he got what? He got profit. So profit is how much? So 2 lakhs minus 1,70,000. So which gives me 30,000 rupees. So this is nothing but my profit. Now what he need to find? So he is asking you to find profit percentage also. So profit percentage is given by profit by CP into 100. So which gives me, what is the profit here? So profit is 30,000 divided by, what is overall cost price? So it is 1,70,000 into 100. So followed by 4 zeros. These 4 zeros I can cancel it out. So this I can write it as 300 divided by 17. So in 17 table if we divide 300, so then what I am going to get? 17 ones are 17, because 17 twos are 34. So 17 ones are 17. So what I am left with? So 10 minus 7 is 3. So here it is 20. Sorry, not here, it is 13 So 130. So 130 means again in 17 table. So it goes how many times? So it goes 7 times. So 17 17s are, so directly I can write it as 17 17s are 289, and after that something you will be getting, so which gives me 17 point something, right? So this is nothing but the percentage, so he will be getting as profit percentage, right? So after the decimal value we can find it out and you can write it down, right? Okay, next moving on to question number 13. So what he has given, so Lalita took a parcel from hotel to celebrate her birthday with her friends. It was billed with rupees 1450 including 5% VAT. Lalita asked for some discount. The hotel owner gave 8% discount on the bill amount. Now find the actual amount that Lalita has to pay to the hotel owner. Right? Here what he said, so Lalita took a parcel from a hotel and here 1450 rupees it was billed including 5% VAT. That means 5% VAT is already included in that, right? So then what is the billed amount? So billed amount is nothing but 1450. Now Lalita asked for some discount. The hotel owner gave 8% on the bill amount. So what is bill amount here? So what is the billed amount? So billed amount is nothing but 1450 rupees. So for this 1450 rupees, what he has given 8% discount. So 8% discount means, so from this what I can simply say, actual amount that she has to pay is nothing but this billed amount minus that 8% of billed amount. So 8% of billed amount is nothing but 8% of 1450. So which gives me 1450 minus 8% means, so 8 by 100 into 1450. So here 100 I can cancel it out. So 8 times of 145. So 145 into 8. So gives me 8 5s are 40. So 4 is remain. So 8 4s are 32, 36. So 3 is remain. So 8 1s are 8, 3 11. So what I am going to get? So 1450 minus 1160 by 10, right? So again this 0 I can cancel it out. So what I am going to get? 1450 minus 116. So from 0 I can't cancel, so I need to take a borrow, then this becomes 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 1. So what is the actual amount after taking out the discount? So after removing the discount, the value is nothing but 1334 rupees. So this is the amount that she has to pay to the hotel, right? Next moving on to one more question. If VAT is included in the price, find the original price. VAT is included in the price, then find the original price. Now, so this is nothing but the billed amount. So this column is giving the billed amount, this is original price, and this is nothing but my VAT, right? For suppose my original price, see here my original price is some X. In all the situations I am considering the original price as X. So let X be the original price, right? Now for this original price, so for this original price, this percentage of VAT is included, right? So here 1%, here 5%, here 14.5%. Now for the first question, so what is actual price? So X rupees is the actual price. For that 1% of VAT is included. So that means 1% of X is equal to how much he has given? 10100. That means, so here this I can directly write it as, so 1% I can write as 1 by 100. Here X percentage means I can directly write it as 100 by 100. So this becomes 101 by 100 into X is equal to 10100. So from this X is equal to 10100 into, so this becomes reciprocal, right? So it becomes 101 by, so this 101 will get cancelled 100 times. So 100 into 100 is nothing but, so 100 into 100 gives me 10,000, right? So the answer is 10,000. So original price is 10,000. Original price is 10,000 and this particular 1% added 100 rupees, right? The same way I can do for the remaining also. So in the next one I can directly add it up now. So 105x by 100 is equal to 2940, because here 5% is added now. So 5% added to 100 means 105x by 100. So from this x is equal to 2940 into 100 divided by 105. So in phi table, this goes 20 times, this goes 21 times. Again in 21 table, can I cancel this? 21 ones are 21, right? 8 will be, so 8 will be left 84. So 21 fours are 84, so followed by 0. So from this x is equal to 14 twos are 28 followed by 2 zeros. So actual price is 2,800, but he has to pay 2,940 rupees. The same way for question number 3. So question number 3, how much is the VAT? 14.5%. So for 100 add 14.5, it becomes 114.5 divided by 100 into x is equal to 229. So from this x is equal to 229 into 100 divided by 114.5. So clearly 114.5 cancels this exactly 2 times. So x is equal to 200 rupees. So the cost is 200 rupees, but because of this 14.5% VAT, so it has increased to 229 rupees. Okay, next, moving on to question number 15. Now what he has given? So find the buying price of each of the following items when sales tax is 5%. So here 5% is added. A towel of rupees 50. A towel of rupees 50. So what is the original price of towel? So original price is 50 rupees. Now he is asking you to find the buying price. So buying price means nothing but, for that original price, this 5% sales tax is added. So what I can say that, so 50 plus 5% of sales tax. So 5 by 100 into 50. So 50 goes 2 times. So what I can say, 50 plus 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. So which gives me 52.5 rupees. Now the buying price of this particular towel is nothing but 52.5 rupees. The same way for question number 2. So 2 bar soaps at 35 rupees each. So 2 bars of soap at 35 rupees each. That means what is the original price? So original price is nothing but 35 rupees per piece, right? Or directly if you want to take the 2 bars, so directly you can consider it as, you can take it as 70 rupees. Okay, so take it as 70 rupees. Okay, original price is 70 rupees for 2 bars. So original price for 2 bars is 70 rupees. Now if I want to buy it, then I need to pay the price, right? So buying price is equal to 70 plus 5% of 70. So 70 plus 5% of 70, which gives me 70 plus 5 by 100 into 70. So 0 0 I can cancel it out. So what I am going to get? I am going to get 70 plus, so 5 7s are 35, 35 by 10 is 3.5. So 70 plus 3.5 is nothing but 73.5. So this is buying price for 2 soaps. So if I want for 1 soap, so divide it with 2, then you will get the answer, right? So this is 73 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, this is about question number 15. Now moving on to question number 16. So what this question says is, so there is a super bazaar in which the prices are in rupees and paisa. So you already know, so in the super bazaars, So you will be getting the price list, so which will be displayed at the entrance, right? So the items are represented in rupees and paisa, and for each item 4% sales tax is added. So he has added 4% sales tax. So because of this sales tax, so though no rounding is necessary. So when you add 4% sales tax, then the given figure becomes a rounded number. So further which, so there is no necessity to add, because the given becomes exactly n rupees, where n is a positive integer. So find the smallest value of n, right? Now for this what I am going to do is, so let the original price, so let the original price be x rupees. So what he has given, it becomes exactly n rupees, right? So x rupees, right? So let the original price be x rupees. Okay, now so x rupees some paisa. Now for this what is happening, so 4% sales tax is added, then it is exactly equal to n rupees. So for this x rupees, what is happening, 4% of sales tax is added. So already this is original price, so x rupees and some paisa. So for this x rupees, so if I add 4%, then it is equal to some n rupees. So it is directly giving me some n rupees. Then if I substitute this, so if I simplify this, so what I am going to get, I am going to get, so 104 by 100 into x is equal to n rupees, right? 104 by 100 is equal to x rupees. So 104 by 100 into x rupees is equal to n rupees. Now from this, so what is the value of x here? So x is equal to, so if I do cancellation here, so this goes 25 times in 4 table, this goes 26 times. So from this what is the value of x? X is equal to 25 by 26, because here what do we got, 26 by 25, the same thing we are going to get 25 by 26 into n. That means you can write it as 25n by 26. So what we got here, x is equal to 25n by 26. Now see here, 25n by 26 I can write it as 2 into 13, right? Now since x, so what is x here? So x is nothing but my original price, right? So this particular x rupees and some paisa, so here my original price should get x rupees and some paisa, right? So this x rupees and some paisa will become n rupees by adding 4%. That means if I want to get that particular value, so what should be the value of n? So he is asking you to find out this particular value of n. See here, so this n can be, so if 2 is there in the denominator, then you will get a 0.5. Most probably you will be getting 0.5, because 2 exactly divides any number, or if it doesn't divide, just it terminates the decimal, right? If 13 is there, so if there is any 13 in the denominator, then you won't be getting exact paisa, right? So since 13 is a prime number, so when you divide with 13, it gives you non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So when you are having non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, so clearly we cannot get exact paisas. So we cannot get exact paisa. So that means we need to eliminate this 13, right? So if you want to eliminate this 13, so I can take this value of n as 13, 26. So I can take the multiples of 13, right? So when I take multiples of 13, then I can eliminate this 13 in the denominator, so that I will be getting exact rupees and paisa. Now for suppose if I take n is equal to 13, if n is equal to 13 if I take, then what will happen? So this 13 and 13 will get cancelled. Then my x becomes 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 is nothing but how much? 12.5 rupees. So it becomes 12 rupees 50 paisa. So for this 12 rupees 50 paisa, if I take 4%, if I take 4% of this 12 rupees 50 paisa, then I am going to get exact rupees. Okay, so the smallest value of n. So from this, what I can say? Smallest value of n is equal to, so what is the smallest value of n? 13. And after 13, if you substitute any value, then you are going to get some rupees and paisa. So for 26, so it exactly divides. So then what I am going to get? So if n is equal to 26, so 26, then what will happen? This 12.5 becomes. So what we need to see here, so always you need to take odd multiples of 13. So among those odd multiples of 13, the smallest value of n takes is n is equal to 13. So this is nothing but, so one of the problems, so which is related to the sales tax, right? So thank you for watching the video. In the next video, so we are going to discuss about the next topic related to comparing quantities, right? So thank you for joining the group. So thank you for watching the video. So thank you very much.